Okay, found another car to bid on. 1977 MGB Convertible. It unfortunately is in Salt Lake City, Utah, but it's a collector car auction that's happening in 6 hours. It starts. So I just located it now. It's a 1977 MGB Convertible, and right now it's at 2,200. When I found it a little while ago, excuse me, it was only at 1,300. So, but I notice right here it says reserve not met, so there is a reserve on this one. So that's what it looks like. So, excuse me, I'll go to the pictures here and see. It's a real nice car. I read down below that the owner restored the car, so the car's been fully rebuilt. It has brand new paint, brand new tires, brand new interior. The motor and transmission have both been rebuilt. It has the electronic overdrive transmission. It's a real nice car. And it has 59,000 original miles on it. And that's that. So that's that one. And then I went over to local cars for sale. And here's one in let's see, this one is in LA suburb, a Long Beach suburb of Lakewood, California. 5,900. It's almost the same color. Very similar without the gold stripes. It has the older interior, has the luggage rack on the trunk. And that's what that one looks like. And then it says, very clean 1975 MGB. All new brakes and clutch, master and slave cylinder, turnkey ready, smog exempt, so it doesn't require smog. Anything 75 or older in California doesn't need to be smogged. And let's see, it's $5,900. And then I went to the NADA to see what the dealers do with it, and they're pricey. 1977. Originally, the car brand new was $5,150 back in 1977, and now a low retail would be $7,125. So that would be the only one we take into account here. These other prices would be for show quality cars that this one isn't not. This one is just a real nice driver. So it's going to be worth probably roughly somewhere between 5,000 and 7,000. So. We'll see where it goes. I'll talk to you again later. I'm going to get closer to an ending before I make my bid. Talk to you then. Okay, so the auction ended. I forgot to record it. I didn't have my phone on, but I bid 4,000 on it. I figured that was as high as I really wanted to go. But it didn't matter because the other bidders bid it up to 5,000, and it did not hit the reserve, so they passed the item. It didn't sell. So I guess that ends it on this one. So I'm gonna go on to the next one. So thanks for watching, and please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, and let your friends know what's going on, and maybe I can help somebody out. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again on the next one.